Here's my Xymox snare pad. Some of you may have seen my video review of this as well as my comparison video between this and the Off-World pad. If not, I'll put a link up above and down below. You can check those out. And if you saw in those videos, I ordered this on July 26, 2018, but I did not order it with this neon green rim. I ordered it with a black rim. Since then, I have had millions of, okay, maybe it's an exaggeration. I've had a lot of emails back and forth between myself and Melissa at Xymox on where's my correct rim, where's my black rim. She's always been very polite. She always responds in a couple days, but delays. It's going to come, I promise someday. Finally today, April 13th, 2019, I get a box in the mail from Xymox, and that box is my correct black rim. So how long has it been since I ordered this pad? Alexa, how long has it been since July 26th?
July 26th, 2018 was 8 months, 2 weeks, and 3 days ago.
Thank you.
Anytime.
I apologize for any of your Alexas who also just told you how long it's been since I got my pad, but 8 months, 2 weeks, 1 day since I got this pad, and finally today I have the correct rim. Maybe some of you are familiar with these crazy delays from Xymox. I do appreciate, however, that they sent me the pad with the wrong rim so that I could have a pad to play on for the past 8 months, 2 weeks, 1 day. I do appreciate that, but wow, it took a long time. So that out of the way, that little soapbox, I thought I would put up a video of changing the rim and showing what's underneath it because I've never seen one. I don't know what's underneath it, and I thought inquiring minds might want to know. So let's have a look at it. The lugs are just regular drum lugs. You can use a regular drum key on them. And let's undo this and see what's in here. All right, so there it is. Take the rim off. There's the green rim. Now, initially when I did the review, I thought that you had to tighten down the rim to tighten the snare pad. Here's the pad without the rim, and you can see that the pad is completely independent of the rim. There's just a hard surface there and the laminate on top of it. So the rim doesn't do anything for tightening the pad down, as I initially mentioned in my other video. And so you can play on this. There's no rim, obviously, so you're not going to get that. But you can play on this. The pad is completely independent of the rim itself. The rim is just there kind of for looks and for show. Put the new rim on. All right, and there you have it. My correct Xymox pad with the black rim as initially intended 8 months, 2 weeks, 1 day ago. Finally I have the correct rim. It's a nice kind of dark pad now. The rim, like I said, is independent of the pad. The rims are just pretty light piece of plastic, but still very tough. They don't break when you hit them. I've had this for obviously 8 months now, and I've had no damage to the rim whatsoever. It'll get the sticks some certainly, but the rim itself has held up fine. So there you go. There is a video on the Xymox snare pad, finally the correct one after a long time, and you can take the rim off and play on it if you want, but there you have it. Post some comments down below. Let me know how your Xymox pad order is coming. I'd love to hear from you and how it's going.